lights are bright, the night is warm. Your love is here, it takes new form. My feet can't stop, my heart's alive. Your spirit moves, I come alive. The rhythm calls, I feel your peace. The chains are gone, I'm finally free. The joy you bring will never fade. I dance upon the grace you made. I won't stay silent, I won't hide. Your fire burns from deep inside. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Down, down, down. Dancing in grace, we are free. All for you, eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. The sunrise paints the clouds with gold. Your faithfulness will not grow old. The world rejoices, hearts renewed. Creation sings, God, you are good. The laughter rings, the crowd unites. Your spirit floods these city lights. The sound of hope begins to play. We're dancing free in endless praise. I feel the wind, I hear the sound of heaven's joy all around. Dancing in grace, hearts on fire, lifting your name higher and higher. Every beat, every sound sings your love that knows no bound. Dancing in grace, we are free. All for you, eternally. Every smile, every face shining bright in waves of grace. The night is young, the stars align. Your glory moves in space and time. Every tear is turned to joy. Every heart you now employ. Dancing in grace, we're alive. Faith and love electrify. Every beat, every flame glorifies your holy name. Dancing in grace, we are free. Heaven moves in melody. Every heart, every face burns forever in your grace. Dancing in grace. The morning breaks, the shadows fade. Your mercy shines, the world remade. The air is clear, the sky's alive. Your spirit breathes, my soul revived. The colors rise across the sea. Creation joins in melody. I lift my hands, I lift my eyes. I see your glory fill the skies. Every dawn your love remains, lighting hope through joy and pain. Rise of glory, shine so high. Lift our hearts to touch the sky. Every voice, every flame The ocean moves, the heavens sing. The earth is new in everything. Your love restores what's been undone. A victory rising with the sun. From broken hearts to holy ground, salvation song is all around. Every soul begins to rise, shining bright before my eyes. Rise of glory, shine so high, lift our hearts to touch the sky. Every voice, every flame sings the power of your name. Rise of glory, day begun, faith awakens with the sun. Every tear, every cry turns to praise and sanctify. You call the light, you calm the waves, you turn the night to brighter days. Your grace is new, your truth remains forevermore. My soul proclaims. Rise of glory, hearts awake. In your love our chains will break. Every star, every flame glorifies your holy name. Rise of glory, pure and free. You're the light inside of me. Every soul, every cry rises now to testify. The dawn will shine, the world will see your glory rising over me. The morning breaks, the dark is gone. The light of grace is shining strong. The earth awakens, hearts arise. Your spirit burns across the skies. The sound of joy, the air so clean. The hope of heaven floods the scene. I lift my eyes, I feel you near. The dawn of faith is finally here. I'm alive, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every flame. Daybreak of faith, we come alive, rising hope beneath the sky. Every tear, every pain washed away in your name. Daybreak of faith, hearts ignite, shining love in morning light. Every soul, every sound, heaven's fire all The golden glow upon the waves reminds the world of love that saves. The rhythm moves, the world is new. Creation sings because of you. The drums of joy, the hearts that beat, awaken grace beneath our feet. The day begins, the night is done. Your victory shines like the sun. Your kingdom comes, your truth remains. Your glory running through our veins. Daybreak night is gone, I'm born anew. I see the world in shades of you. Every breath a song of grace. I find my life within your face. Daybreak of faith, we rise again. Every soul says amen. Every light, every flame burns the power of your name. Daybreak of faith, pure and free. You are all we'll ever need. Every sound, every sky sings your glory. Lifted the dawn will rise, the world will say, our faith is new. This is your day. The stars align above the sea, the gentle light surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I feel your love, I know your will. The night is deep, the heavens sing. My soul restored in everything. I lift my hands, my heart released. The sky is wide, my soul's at peace. Every breath I take tonight shines within your holy light. Stars of faith burning bright, guide me through this endless night. Every tear, every prayer finds your mercy shining there. Stars of faith, pure and true, all creation worships you. Every sound, every flame glorifies your holy The silver moon begins to rise, reflecting heaven in my eyes. The ocean hums a gentle tune beneath the light of sacred moon. The air is warm, the night divine. Your voice is peace, your heart is mine. I walk in grace, I walk in truth, surrounded by eternal proof. I see your light, I feel you near. Every shadow disappears. sky declares, the stars agree. Your grace is all I'll ever need. Stars of faith shine so high, fill the earth and paint the sky. Every flame, every cry lifts your praise and sanctify. Stars of faith never fade. You are love the heavens made. Every soul, every sound glorifies your grace profound. Glorifies your grace profound. The night will fade, but not your flame. Forever shine, my stars of faith.
The stars are singing high above, a symphony of endless love. The heavens glow, the earth replies. Your glory floods these open skies. The night is young, our hearts are free. Your spirit flows like melody. Every breath a holy sound, as heaven's echo fills the ground. And we can feel the sky awake. Every soul begins to share. Echoes of heaven loud and clear. Every heart can feel you near. Through the dark, through the night, we are burning in your light. Echoes of heaven high and wide. Faith and fire side by side. Every sound, every flame lifts the power of your name. The rhythm builds the crowd to life. Your presence sparks, we come alive. The air is warm, the ground will shake. Your holy thunder starts to wake. The world is bright, the stars align. We lift our souls beyond the time. Your love resounds in every tone. This light reminds we're never alone. The sound of praise, the skies aglow. Your heaven moves, your mercy flows. Echoes of heaven loud and clear. Every heart can feel you near. Through the dark, through the night, we are burning in your light. Echoes of heaven high and wide. Faith and fire side by side. Every sound, every flame lifts the power of your name. You open doors the stars can't close. Your spirit breathes and freedom flows. The world stands still, the angels sing. Your name restores everything. Echoes of heaven shine so bright. night is done, the stars remain. Echoes of heaven call your name.
The night is bright, your love shines through. The stars align because of you. The heavens sing, the crowd lifts high. Your glory lights the midnight sky. The rhythm beats, my heart's awake. The chains are gone, the ground will shake. I'll raise my hands, I shout your name. Forever free, I'll praise the same. Light the fire, let it glow. Let the world and heavens know. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're the source of endless light. Shine forever, never fade. All creation you have made. Every heart, every sky burns with love that cannot die. The crowd unites, the voices rise. Your spirit dances in our eyes. The lights explode, the night turns gold. 1,000 hearts, one truth retold. The echoes roll across the air. Your kingdom sound is everywhere. From mountain high to ocean deep, your promise wakes the world from sleep. Let your glory fill this place. Heaven meets the human race. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're the source of endless light. Shine forever, never fade. All creation you have made. Every heart, every sky burns with love that cannot die. You break the night, you make it glow. The fire within begins to show. Your spirit moves, your people rise. We see your glory in our eyes. Shine forever, we are free. Heaven sings in harmony. Every flame, every cry sends your praise across the sky. Shine forever, bright and true. All the light comes back to you. Every star, every soul burns your name and makes us The night is done, the dawn will show, but in our hearts, you still glow. The night is still, the stars awake. I see your light begin to break. The heavens glow, the earth will sing. Our hearts alive in everything. Your spirit moves from heart to heart, igniting faith in every part. The air is warm, your love ascends, a song of joy that never ends. And I can feel your glory fall. It's rising up, consuming all. Glory my heart renewed for heaven's sake. Glory rising, hearts unite, shining love and endless light. Every dream, every flame burns the echo of your name. Glory rising, pure and true, all creation worships you. Every sound, every cry glorifies the Lord Most High. Every glory The stars remain, the night is clear, your glory rising ever near. The dawn breaks out across the sea, a brand new world you've given me. My heart revived, my fear undone. I'm standing here, the day's begun. The golden air, the colors rise. Your mercy paints the morning skies. I lift my hands, I feel your flame, alive again in Jesus' name. And now I see, I start to breathe. Your spirit moves inside of me. I'm alive again, burning bright, free at last in morning light. Every tear, every chain washed away by love again. I'm alive again, pure and free. Heaven's fire inside of me. Every sound, every flame sings the glory of your The light pours down, my heart restored. Your grace is all I'm living for. The winds of peace begin to blow. Your presence shines, I overflow. The shadows fade, the world is new. I'm running home, my soul with you. The mountains rise, the rivers sing. New life flows in everything. Your voice is calm, it calls my name. Your mercy burns like holy flame. I'm alive again, burning bright, free at last in morning light. Every tear, every chain washed away by love again. I'm alive again, pure and free. Heaven's fire inside of me. Every sound, every flame sings the glory of your name. You break my night, you make me whole. You breathe your life into my soul. The sun will rise, my heart will sing. You are my light, my everything. I'm alive again, hearts awake. Faith and love will overtake.